Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to remove threads from Instagram. So first things first, you have to make sure that you're using the latest version of your Instagram application. Tap on your profile here, and then as you can see, if you scroll down below, you will see this option, Show Threads Badge. You just have to simply turn this one off. As you can see, if I don't turn this one off and I go back to my Instagram, I can see my Threads account right here. So I cannot remove that, but we can just hide it by switching off the button. Now, if you have added your Threads account link and you want to remove it, just go to your links and then locate your Threads link and just remove. So basically, you will see that below the bio feature, you will see here all your links. And if you have added your threads here, you just have to click that one. For example, this one right here, this one is your threads. You will see the remove option, and all you need to do is to remove that one. Your Instagram profile is now free of the threads link. Now, a tip or a reminder, Instagram automatically adds the Threads badge when you sign up for Threads. Removing it from your bio does not delete your Threads account. It's just hide the link. So basically, it will not remove Threads from Instagram. It will just hide from your Instagram bio. So basically, that's how easy it is. Again, it will not remove Threads from Instagram. It will just hide. This is not to mislead the information. This is just to show you that you cannot remove Threads from Instagram bio, but rather hide this from your Instagram. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.